upgrade the police car.
Stop right there, little race car. You are under arrest.
You can't catch me!
I can't move. TinkerBot, please help me.
Welcome to TinkerBot Repair Center. How can I help you?
I crashed into a big truck while chasing a thief. Now I can't move.
Please wait in the repair room.
Okay.
Don't worry. I will upgrade your equipment. Then catching thieves will be easy. Please wait.
Okay.
First, I replace the broken tires. Now you have big monster tires. Next, I fix the engine. All repaired. Now I spray anti-rust oil. And upgrade your police lights. Now it's cleaning time. Put on bubbles. Wash the bubbles away. Blow dry with a fan. Wax and polish.
Wow! I feel great! I am stronger than before.
That's great.
I'm going to catch the thief now.
Wish you will get him this time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good luck. Welcome next time.
Let's see where you can run now.